Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to call YouTube TV support. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to call YouTube TV support here and maybe interact with them and say any problems that you may be experiencing right now, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access the appropriate channels or the appropriate website for it. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just go to any browser, go to google.com, just type in the following, go to YouTube TV help. Now you want to access the first link here for support.google.com and make sure that you are accessing the correct website. Again, support.google.com, and go ahead and just click on YouTube TV help. Now from here, it's going to give you different articles, so it's going to say how can we help you, but what you need to do is you want to go and just scroll to the very bottom and you should see the contact us section. Let's go and just click on it. Now from here, it will give you other contact options, like for example, what do you need help with, tell us what they can actually help you with. So for example, I have a problem with my YouTube TV. Now I could go and just help them with, let's just say, not working. So you can click on next. And so for example, app not working, click on next step. Now it's going to give you different resources here. You can go and click on next step. Now it's going to give you two options, so you could either call them or chat with them. Now there are some hours, or there are a limit to this. So there are some working hours that you need to follow. So hours of operation here, like you go and either choose chat or call us. So if you choose call us, this is how you call them. Now obviously you may need to visit the official website to see the latest number that you could contact, so that you are actually contacting them. But in this case, that's about it. So. For this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.